Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a demo on how to execute the PageRank program given in the exercise using AWS. So the part one is a simple Java program. You can do it easily in the local machine using Eclipse or NetBeans. So I'll show you a demo in part 3. So for this, all you need is to set up an EMR cluster. Let's see how to do that. I have one cluster ready and waiting. So I'll just show you how to create a new cluster. So if you click on the create cluster, you can give your cluster name and select a required option. You can do this by selecting the first option, or you can go to advanced option and select whatever softwares you want to install in your cluster and proceed to the further steps. This is more similar to the other video in which I showed you how to set up an EMR cluster. So I'll post that video link in the description. You can check with that. And similarly, if you download this zip file given in the instruction, you will get a folder like this. Something like this. If you go into this, you can see a simple Java code to run the PageRank in the local machine, and the Hadoop code to run your PageRank in the Hadoop cluster. So what you need to do is you need to create a data bucket in S3 and upload this jar file and input pages.txt to the S3. Once your cluster is ready and running, you just need to log into the master node. So if you are using Windows, you can use putty to log into your cluster. So I'm just going to copy this link and paste in the putty, and it will ask for the the key pair which I created already, and I just click on open. It will ask for the passphrase, it's more like password. So give the password and click on enter. Now we are inside the cluster. So next, what we need to do is copy that PageRank.jar file in the S3 to the master node. So we can do that using this AWS S3 cp command from S3 bucket name 454 data bucket / PageRank.jar. So I'm going to put my jar file in the root directory itself. Now it got downloaded. So next we can run this jar file using Hadoop jar, then PageRank.jar, then the main class name, that is driver, followed by the input file path which is in the S3. I have to give my bucket name followed by the input file name, input pages.txt. We can store this program's output in the master node itself. So or in the HDFS also. So if you let's delete this command for now, and let's see what all folders we have in the HDFS. So HDFS, to access HDFS, you need to use this command, or to list all files and folders in HDFS, you should use this command, Hadoop fs-ls/user/. So it basically have all softwares that we installed in the cluster, like Hadoop, Hive, Hue, Oozie, Spark, and all. So what we can do is we can run this jar file in the root directory, PageRank.jar. Give the main class name followed by the input file path, and we can save the output in the HDFS itself. User, I'm going to store in the Hadoop, user Hadoop, and the output folder name, PageRank output, and the number of iteration we can give it as 6. So this program will take some time, since we gave 6 iterations. So we have some error over here. Okay, I didn't give the file name for my input. So let's see whether it is happy now. It may take few minutes to execute. So I'll just wait until one iteration is over, and I'm going to pass the video and come back once it is over. So now I think the first iteration is over. I'll come back once the execution is over and complete. Hello everyone. Now the PageRank code execution is over. Let's check in our given output directory whether we have any output. To check that, use Hadoop fs ls user Hadoop. So you can see that we have the PageRank output folder in the given folder, that is user Hadoop directory. Let's check what is inside this PageRank output folder. So we can see that we have some output file. You can open this file or check what is inside this file using the cat command. Sorry, my session got expired. Oh, it's not. Sorry. You can see that there are some ranks, there are some words, and their corresponding ranks. So the next step is to move this output file from the HDFS, the master node, to the S3. So you can do, first you need to move the output file from the HDFS to the master node's local directory. So you can do that by you can do that by Hadoop fs-get followed by that file path, and I'm just going to save that file in the root directory of master node. You can rename that file, rename the output file to whatever file name you want. You can do that step in the next step also, where when moving the file from master node to the S3, but you can do that step in this command itself. So if you check the master node's root directory, you can see our PageRank output.txt. You can move this file to S3 using the AWS S3 cp command from the root directory, this PageRank output.txt to my S3 data bucket. So the upload got over. Let's check whether we have the output. So you can see that we have the output in the S3. You can select this and download this output. So as I said earlier in other videos, you need to delete all the files when you are done with your all executions, and similarly delete everything from the master node and also from the HDFS. So to do that, Hadoop fs rm-r user Hadoop PageRank output. And similarly other files and folders from this directory. So I have other two outputs. It should be rm-r to delete the output. And similarly, I need to delete all this jar files and the other files. To delete from the local or a root directory of the master node, you can just use rm PageRank.char. Similarly, PageRank output.txt. No, we don't have any file in our master node. So that's it for this video. Please let me know if you have any doubts or questions with this video, and that's it. Thank you.